I just came back from Nigeria. I was showing the junior doctors how to do nerve blocks, but they didn't have an ultrasound. So I thought I would do a video and send it to them. But I thought it would be a good opportunity for anyone else to learn from the YouTube. So I put it in the YouTube. Patient has been consented. And we are going to do a shoulder arthroscopy and cuff repair today. So patients agreed to have a nerve block, and patient has been given general anesthetic, eye gel, spontaneous breathing. I gave 50 fentanyl for induction, and this is my drugs. So we've got levobuprofen 0.375, and just drawn in here. This is 0.75, but then I have diluted with equal amount of water to get it 20 minutes. And this is a special syringe. This is called NR fit. It will not fit in here. This is a special needle. It's a 50 millimeter. You could see these tiny marks, which can be seen in the ultrasound, and it can be also connected to the nerve stimulator. That's why the other code is there. Site is marked right here. Okay, you can show there. I touch there, and you could see the dot there, right? So that's a kind of guidance for me. So that will be my up top. So let's scan the neck. But decent pressure, you need to. Okay, it's on 2.7 centimeter distance. That's the throat. You want to see the artery and vein. Go laterally. That's the artery. You could see the artery, and the vein is sitting on top. Can you show the probe as well, how it is set? So it's just on the neck anywhere. Yeah. Okay. I'll show there now. So the vein is sitting on the artery. It's collapsing when I press. And let me go laterally, and I should try to get the nerve bundles there. You see, it's there. This is the nerve bundle there. So it's near the clavicle. I'm pressing on the clavicle. Now you could see that it kind of looks like dog's toes, dog's legs. That's what it says. So you hold it in the center of your probe, and you walk upwards. Here, when you walk upwards, you should start getting the traffic light signal. It comes and goes because the nerve roots are coming from different vertebral levels. That's why you have the traffic light. You see in the center this black dot. This black dot. So let me follow that few black dots. You could see that in the center. Can you show that black dot on Kasim, can you show that? Yeah, that's the one, yeah? You see there's one underneath as well, there are three of them there. You see the round shape of it. To approach, you could go in line or out of line. Okay, now can you show the screen? That's my needle. It's moving. Okay, I'm moving the needle so you could see the movements. Going down, down, down. Okay, that layer down. That's the nerve. Next layer. Can you give 1 ml of local anesthetic?
1 ml.
Don't
Okay.
I'm too close to the nerve. You saw why it's injecting. So let me move it slightly lateral. Okay, aspirate please. 1 ml. Inject it.
Yeah, injecting.
Aspirate, yeah.
Aspirate.
Yeah.
Negative.
Yeah.
Injecting.
You need to explain this.
I need to go to the next layer. You could see the nerve is sitting under the layer. Let me puncture it. One, hold on. Okay, next layer. Yeah, aspirate.
Aspirate. Negative.
Yeah.
Injecting.
Okay, that's fine. So that's a local anesthetic spreading around. I'll show you the nerves afterwards. How it spreads. Let me go down. So that's a nerve. Yeah. And we follow it up. You see? See? Okay. You could see the nerve is bathed with local anesthetic. The black, all the black thing is a local anesthetic. It's going up. Somewhere. The root here is a local anesthetic around. It's good. So I give 20 mils of local anesthetic. I will definitely spread around. So we are getting ready for this left side shoulder arthroscopy and cuff repair. Patient's ready, it's marked. We will check the consent. I touch here. So that's the top end, yeah? This is the LMA, artery and the vein go posteriorly towards the neck, and try to catch it here. That's the artery and that's the vein. So if I press my probe, it will collapse. So that's the reason sometimes when you do blindly central lines, you can't get it because you feel the artery. Imagine just sitting on top of it. All the skin and subcutaneous tissue, all the black things, muscles here, and the nerves are here. It looks like a dog's paw. This is, you can see it clearly now. If you can, yeah, this looks like a dog's leg here. Look at this. So this one looks like a dog's leg. I am tipping the ultrasound probe somehow. So can you saw this tip? That's what I do. So this way you can tip and catch it in somehow. So it's how the angle of attack really matters for you. So just keep an eye on this one and keep scanning up the neck. Now you see it becomes a round shape here. Keep it in the center, and there's one round here, one round here. It's like a traffic light, it should come. There's one here, one here. Keep it in the center, and there's a big one here. These are the different nerve roots. They're coming from cervical vertebrae in different levels. So I'm scanning up. Can you show here as well? I'm scanning upwards towards the head. And now you can see again. Bring it closer. Yeah, this is one nerve and there is another one there. And you can see the wall. This is a nerve. This is a nerve. And here again I'm scanning up, there is another one here. So roughly that is enough for me. So I want to go the cricoid level laterally, and that point I'll catch one of these ones, full round shape, and you can see the white, the wall of it. A round shape, and you see, yeah? You don't want to go inside and inject it. You want to go here. There's one here, one here. You want to go into this black bit there. This is the muscle bit and soft tissue. So you get the needle somewhere here, yeah, inject it. Don't inject into the nerve. So you won't get it here. So if you go on in line, your needle will be coming from this side. If you come out of line, you'll be coming this way. So you can see the needle coming from there. Yeah, you see the needle? Now let me scan the needle. So that's my needle. See it's moving?
Yep.
Yeah. Nerve is just there. I won't stop there. I want to scan the tip of the needle. You can see it's touching the nerve. I don't want to inject it there. The black round thing is a nerve. So let me pull out a little bit. And let me inject one needle. Okay, local anesthetic spreading around. Nerve should separate from that angle. Inject more, and you could see the white nerve with a white wall around is separating. Yeah. So this is the nerve. This is all local anesthetic spreading around here. There's few more further down. You can't see them in this angle. If you give 20 mils of volume, it works. I don't go very close to the nerve. I inject near the nerve. You see? This is the dog paw we're talking about here. Dog paw, and I'm going to scan up. You could see there's one root, there's another root there, and there's another root, all the roots, and all this around is the local anesthetic here. This is also local anesthetic, probably just wasted maybe, but it will work because the local anesthetic is surrounding the nerves. And here as well, you could see it's all tracking down, up and down.